Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. Just touring this 3-1 Colonial on the west side of Akron. Just doing some quick numbers on this just to see if it's a good deal. This property is not in that bad a shape. Not bad. Hey, just wanted to let you guys know, one of our money managers just gave us some good news today that we just got $100,000 in deal-making money that we can utilize. So we do need to purchase some property real soon. So if you live in the Akron area or anywhere in the surrounding suburb and you or somebody you know has a house to sell, please give us a call. Give us a call because we would like to make you a fair offer for your property. We don't charge any real estate commission fees and we pay closing costs. If your property needs more work than this property, that's okay because we can buy your property in as-is condition, meaning you don't have to spend any money fixing up the property and you don't have to put it on the market and pay a realtor and potentially sit on the market for months and months. Okay, so if that's something you're interested in, please give me a call, 330-685-2220.